You can't solder wood, can you? For the first step for combining these two materials that don't normally go together, I'm going to use a CNC machine, but don't worry, this is not a CNC project. You can use a drill press, you can use a handsaw, you can use a router, you can use a Dremel, you can use a chisel, you can use carving tools. You can do anything with this. Well, I think that turned out pretty good. It's got a nice shine to it, a little bit more sanding, and I think that'll be really shiny. I like the burnt wood contrast, that looks pretty cool. There's tons of other ways you can accomplish this as well, so you don't need a CNC or anything. You can do it with a drill press. Lots of little dot inlays on the side of a jewelry box would look pretty cool, I think. Router table, even just grooves in a table saw, anything like that I think would do. I hope I've done enough to earn your subscription, so please click that subscribe button and come back and check back here regularly for regular woodworking videos. Click around me for some other videos of mine, so you might want to check those out. Follow me on social media. Instagram's my favourite at the moment, so plenty of action going on over there, and I'll see you next time.